Hello Primer 2, welcome to our revision. Our revision today is talking about the clock. Clock here is called analog clock, has a circle shape and has numbers inside it and two halves. The number inside it tell me what hour is, and the number outside the clock tell me what time, what minutes. Shorthand is point to hours, and longhand point to minutes. Now shorthand indicate 2 hours, longhand indicate 2 minutes. Between any two numbers in the clock, there is 5 minutes. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Count by 5. Count with me by 5. Here 0, 2, 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25. Every time increase or add 5. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay? Now, I have a clock here. Some numbers here has names like 15 at 3, 15 minutes at 3, its name is quarter. 4 has 20 minutes, it's called third. 6 at 30 minutes, half. 45 here at 9 has quarter. What is the difference between quarter here at 9, 45 here quarter, 15 here also quarter? What is the difference between them? Here, when I see the long hand in the right part of the clock, in the right part from 0 to 30, this is right part. Quarter past. Okay. When I see the long hand in the left part, start from here 30, 35 here to 60 here, left part, quarter 2. Okay, past here 2. Now 1 hour is 60 minutes, quarter hour 15 minutes, third hour 20 minutes, half hour 30 minutes. Now we will telling the time by digital form. Digital form, that's mean write the time in numbers. Hour, then minutes. Like this. 7 o'clock. How to read the time? Look at the shorthand. Shorthand here point to 7. So I write 7. Now the hour is 7. The minutes, longhand tell me the minutes. Minutes here at 12. 12 has how many minutes? 0 minutes. So 7 o'clock, 7 exactly. Okay? First, look at the shorthand. Shorthand here indicate to 7. So the hour is 7. Turn to the long hand. Long hand indicate to 1, not 1 minutes. 1 has how many minutes? 5 minutes here. So 7, 5. Now 7, 10. 7, 15. 15 is called what? Has a name. Quarter. Perfect. 7, 20. 7, 25. 7, 30. 7, 35. Now, the shorthand we move to 8. Change to 8, and the long hand change to also 8. Change to 8 here, telling me we will enter a new hour. I'm still now in the region of 7. I'm not reaching now 8. So the time is 7:40. Shorthand indicate to 8, but The long hand indicate to how many minutes? 40 minutes. So I write here 40 minutes. The problem here is in hour. Hour, I'm not reaching now 8. I am still in the region of 7. So the time is 7:40. What time now? 7:45. I am not reaching 8. So I am still in the hour 7. 7 and how many minutes? 7:45. 7:50. I am not reaching now 8. I am not reaching. I am still in the region of 7. So 7:50. 7:55. 8 o'clock. Now I am in the region of 8. I am entered now the hour 8. So we will complete the time 8, 8, 5, 8, 10, 8, 15, 8, 20, 8, 25, 8, 30, 8, 35, 8, 40, 8, 45, 8, 50, 8, 55, 9. Now I am in the region of 9. 9, 5, 9, 10, 9, 15, 9, 20, 9, 25, 9, 30, 9, 35, 9, 40, 9, 45, 9, 50, 9, 55, 10, and so on. Understand? I hope that we will complete. Now, who can tell me the time? Think 1 minute and answer. Look at the short hand. Short hand indicate to what? 2. The long hand indicate to how many minutes here at 3 and digital 4? 2:50. Now, short hand point to 4. Long hand at 12. 12 has here how many minutes? 0. 0, 0, so it's 4 o'clock. Here, look at the short hand. Short hand point to 12. I write 12. Then long hand indicate to how many minutes here at 2? Here 10 minutes. So the time is 12:10. Here short hand indicate to 1. And the long hand at 4. 4. How many minutes here at 4? Count by 5. Count by 5. Here 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. 1:20. Now, short hand point to 3. And the long hand at 6. How many minutes here at 6? Count by 5. Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Half hour, 30 minutes. Here, short hand point to 9 or 8 is between 9 and 8. Take the smaller number. I am not reaching here 9. I am still in the region of 8. When you see the short hand between any two numbers, take the smallest one. Here, 8, 9 and 8. Which one is the smallest? 8. So I'll take 8. Long hand indicate to also here 8. 8. How many minutes here? Count by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So the time is 8:40. When you see again short hand between two numbers on the clock, take the smallest number. Understand? Okay. Now, what time is? 9:45. Second one, short hand point to 9. Long hand point to 10. 10, how many minutes here? Is 50. So 9:50. 8:50. Yes, 8:50. Here, 8:55. 8:55. The point, the shorthand point to 9, so the time is 9. No, you will not reaching here at 9. You are still in the 8 hour. Okay? Here, 9 o'clock. Now, I'm in the region of 9. 9:05. Here, the shorthand is between 3 and 4. I'll take the smallest number. I'll take 3. So, 3, 5. Okay? How to write time in letters? This time, what time is it? What time is it? Shorthand indicate 2, 3. Longhand at 6. How many minutes here? 30. So the digital form, 3:30. In the digital form, we write hour, then minutes. Hour, then minutes. Okay, in letter form, change. Write minutes, then hours. It's 30, change. 30, past or to. Look at the long hand here. Long hand in the right part or in the left part? In the right part. Here, from here to here, right part. Long hand at the right part. Right part, so you will have the word past. So it's past, a change. Write minutes, then hours. But in letters, it's 30 past 3. 30 has a name in the clock. Its name was half. Perfect. So it's half past 3. Okay. This right part. From here in the left part. Okay. I have this clock. In digital form, shorthand indicate 2, 2. Longhand at 3, so 15. 2:15. Now we will write the time in letter form. It change. Minutes, then hour. It's minutes, here 15. It's a 15. Now past or to. Longhand. Longhand here is in the right part or in the left part? In the right part. Perfect. Here in the right part. So I have the word past. So it's past. It's 15 past 2. It's 15 past 2. Now 15 has a name. Its name is quarter. It's quarter past 2. Another one. If I have this clock, in digital form, 8:45. I'm not reaching now 9. I'm still in the region of 8. So 8:45. We will write this time in the letter form. It changed minutes, then hour. It's past or to. The long hand here in the right, in the left part. Left part, so I have here the word to. Now, it's 45 to 45 has a name. Quarter. It's quarter to what time here? To 8? No. To 9. Why 9? Here, when you write the time in letter form and the long hand in the left part, increase 1 hour when you write it. In digital form, write as you see, 8:45. But in the letter form, increase 1 hour. You will that means you will enter the region of 9. 8:45. How many minutes to become 9? 45 minutes. Okay. Now that's the same meaning. Also, you will need 45 minutes to introduce or enter the region of 9. Okay? I hope you understand and thank you. Bye bye.